We did not even know this would be possible, but we grew chickpeas, and it looks like it's a big success. Every year we like to grow one of those why not kind of plants, and this year it was chickpeas. I saw online people growing them in pots, and I thought, why not in the GreenStalk? And so this was the results of that. I got a bag of organic chickpeas and I started trying to germinate. It was difficult. About out every 20 chickpeas, I would get maybe 5. I kept them in a little dish of water with a lid on and just let them soak in that. After I could see they were soft, I poured most of the water off, but I left a little bit layer under there. So after I germinated them, I put them in our seed trays and I let them grow for a little bit indoors, and they seem to be doing fine. Brought them to work, I got them transplanted, but I think I transplanted a little bit early because they didn't look all that happy for a while. But once the weather turned warm, boy did they pick up. They livened up, turned green, and started growing like crazy. I would suggest growing them in the original 10-inch pockets. They are a legume, so they do produce nitrogen into the soil, so they're not gonna need a lot of nitrogen. If you do see them early on turning yellow, you could give them a little nitrogen, but they are expected to turn yellow later on after the pods have already set, because that's when you're going to be picking your pods after it turns yellow. You can harvest them green, but we're going to leave ours on until they are brown and crispy, and that's how we're going to shell them, is when they'll come out easy. Here's one I just pulled, and it's got 2 in it. That's a big surprise. Very earthy, similar to a sweet pea, but not quite. We're so glad to be able to share this with you. We love experimenting. We hope you will experiment and share with us when you have a success. Happy gardening.